For the past few weeks, I've been looking for a microphone that has quality but comes at a cheap price. So I reached out to the brand Boya, knowing that they had the right product for me. They were kind enough to send the Boya BY-CM3. So for that, I want to thank Xiaomi of Boya for letting me review their product. The Boya BY-CM3 is priced at around 2,000 Philippine pesos, but you can get it for less by using vouchers in Lazada. The packaging itself is nice, and it provides enough protection for its contents. Inside the box are Boya stickers, a guide, a USB Type-C to Type-A cable, and the mic itself. To set up the microphone, you just have to plug the Type-C end of the cable into the bottom part of the microphone, and the Type-A end into your device. Speaking of devices, the Boya BY-CM3 is compatible with most Android smartphones and tablets with a Type-C port, as well as Mac or Windows computers. It has a cardioid polar pattern with gain control functions in the front part of the mic. The mic with the stand is small and lightweight. You can easily find a space for it on your table and in your bag for portability. The cable provided is long enough, and a cable tie is included for wire management. And if you prefer, you can actually attach this microphone to a boom arm. If you are wondering about the build quality of this mic, well, let me tell you, this feels premium and durable. Boya is a brand that I can trust when it comes to quality. And about the quality of the audio recording, you've been listening to it since the start of the video. I also use this mic when I am playing Valorant. My friends told me that my audio sounds way better than before. They can now hear me clearly, and I could even just turn up the gain on the mic and just whisper. I really like this microphone, but I would have liked it more if there was an in-ear monitor port, and if it also came with a Type-C to Type-C cable. Overall, this microphone is great for its price. I recommend it if you are looking for something small but still capable, and if you don't want the hassle of an XLR microphone. Again, thank you to Boya and Xiaomi of Boya. You can find this microphone in their store in Lazada. The link is in the description below.
I am the beginning. I am the end. Stealing sight. Blinding. Blind and dead. Boo. Cover going out. Shadows traveling. Watch them run. Scatter. You thought you were safe. Behind you, I'll make them remember they're only human. I feel the strain. Block it out, Omen. Cower. Run. Sage, the life you give. Do you ever wonder where it's taken from?